everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cluster of Knowledge and this is your part 3rd of your National Science Olympiad. So let's start with this. Firstly, we will go through the syllabus of class 3rd, and class 3rd syllabus is your session 1 consists of pattern, analogy and classification, coding, decoding, mirror images, embedded figures, alphabet test, ranking test, grouping of figures, figure metrics, geometrical shapes, days and dates and possible combination. Session 2 is all about your plants and animals, birds, food, housing, clothing and occupation, transport, communication and safety rules, human body, earth and universe, matter and materials, light, sound and force, our environment. Session 3 is all about your higher order thinking questions syllabus as per session 2. So let's start with this. Firstly, we need to understand the pattern and marking scheme. Session 1 is all about your logical reasoning. Number of questions 5, marks per question 1, total marks 5. Session 2 all about your science, number of questions 25, marks per question 1, total marks 25. Achiever session, number of questions 5, marks per question 2, total marks will be 10. So let's start with this. First session is all about logical reasoning. Question number 1, find the missing number. 3, 9, 27, 81, then question mark and then 729. You need to understand the pattern behind it and identify the correct option. Option A 240, option B 243, option C 236 and option D 215. If you understand the logic is here, the pattern is going on 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27, 27 into 3 81 and 81 into 3 will be your 243. So the correct option will be option number B 243. Come to the next question. If bat is your related to ball, then in the same way your badminton is related to what? Option A shuttlecock, option B hockey, option C frill and option D football. So the correct option will be shuttlecock, option A. Come to the next one. The figure has dash straight line and dash curved line. The figure is given here and you need to identify how many straight lines are there and how many curved lines are there. So just firstly start with your straight line 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So total number of straight lines are 16, and as you can see option C consists of straight line 16. So the correct option will be your option C, 16 straight lines and 9 curved lines. Move to the next one, your session 2 all about your science. Question number 4, what can be seen the reason that a taxi driver has to be more careful when driving on a rainy day than driving on a hot summer day? Option A, gravitational force between taxi and road is higher on a hot summer day. Option B, frictional force between taxi and road is lower on a rainy day. Option C, gravitational force between taxi and road is lower on a rainy day. Option D, frictional force between taxi and road is lower on a hot summer day. You need to understand that frictional force between taxi and road is lower on a rainy day because it's slippery. So the correct option will be option number B. You will understand about all the frictional forces or the forces in your 4th chapter. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 5. Water droplets, what are too heavy to float, make? Option A fog, option B cloud, option C rain and option D smoke. When water droplets that are too heavy to float, it makes rain. So the correct option will be your option C rain. Question number 6. Which of these organ system gives shape and support to our body and protect the important organ of the body such as lungs, brain, heart and etc. So these are your figures, and if you know our body organs are protected by your skeleton. So the correct option will be option number C. Next, come to the next question. Question number 7. We can have vitamins and minerals if we eat what? Option A vegetables, option B fruits, option C protective food and option D all of these. So the correct option will be option number D, all of these. If you eat all these things, so you will have vitamins and minerals in your body. Now come to the next question. Question number 8. Ducks have short and broad beak, broad and flat beak, option C slender beak, option D pointed beak. If you notice that how the beak of duck have, so you know the correct option. The correct option will be option number B, broad and flat beak. Now come to the next question. Look at the classification of tables shown. P and Q are correctly represented by. You need to understand that fruits, and then it divided into 2 parts, edible and inedible. You need to understand the correct combination of P and Q. Tomato and chili, mimosa and dragon fruit, pineapple and rubber, apple and coconut. You know that edible that you can eat and inedible that you are not, that the things are not eatable. So the as you can notice, and you have idea about that rubber is not an edible substance. So the correct option will be option number C, pineapple and rubber. Come to the next question. Question number 10. Renu's grandmother got seriously ill in afternoon and needs to be taken to the hospital immediately. In such a situation, which of the following mode should Renu most preferable use in order to inform to her father who was in his office? Option A, email. Option B, letter. Option C, radio broadcast. And option D, phone call. So the best method that she should use will be option D, phone call. Come to the next question. 11. Ria is going to a Thar desert on a science trip during her summer vacation. Select the option which an unscramble gives the name of clothing that she can wear over there. So these are your options. These are jumble words and you need to identify the correct option. If you notice that option A is all about FUFRMEL, does it make any word that is related to your clothing? Option B, KRSIT. Yes, it makes a sense. It's all about your skirt. So the correct option will be option number B, skirt. Question number 12. Which of the following will not dissolve in water? Option A, salt. Option B, sugar. Option C, sand. And option D, baking soda. So we all know that salt, sugar and baking soda are easily soluble in water except sand. So the correct option will be option number C. Come to the next question. Soil helps trees because soil. Option A, makes food for the trees. Option B, move the tree seed to new places. Option C, give nutrients to the trees. And option D, turns the root into new trees. So the soil helps the trees because soil gives nutrients to the trees. So the correct option will be option number C. Now come to the next session, your last session, achiever session. Question number 14. When a seedling grows, it depends on the seed leaves for nutrition until the first leaves are formed. Which of the following graph correctly identify the changes in mass of a speed, leaf and shoot over time? Okay, you need to identify the graph and the correct option. You have to answer me in the comment section. Now come to the next question, question number 15. Observe the given picture carefully and select the correct conclusion regarding liquid XYZ. Option A, liquid X is transparent and liquid Z is translucent. Option B, liquid Y is opaque and liquid Z is translucent. Option C, liquid X is transparent and liquid Z is opaque. And option D, liquid Y is transparent and liquid Z is opaque. All these things are related to your chapter light, and when you study about it, you will able be to answer these questions. But the correct option of this will be, as you may notice, that liquid X is a transparent and liquid Z is translucent. No, liquid X is not transparent. Liquid Y is opaque and liquid Z is translucent. No, Y is not an opaque. Liquid X is transparent and liquid Z is opaque. Yes, it is true. So the correct option will be option number C. Liquid X is transparent and liquid Z is opaque. So hope so you are able to understand all the sessions, and don't forget to answer me the correct option of question number 14. Well, these are your answers. You may note it down, and if you like it, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it too. Bye bye, take care. See you soon in your next video.